How do you fix iPhone apps start waiting or not downloading? You have come to the right place. Here's Yanis from AppGeeker's channel, and don't let this stress you guys. There are a few simple ways that you can take to fix iPhone apps that get stuck or waiting, and make the apps finish updating, downloading, or installing. Whether you download an app for the first time or install an update for the app, the process needs a stable network connection. Wi-Fi network or cellular network is okay. If the internet is slowed or not working at all, the app download or install should be stuck, with the word waiting right beneath the app icon. To get it unstuck, turn on airplane mode and turn it off to refresh the internet connection. So go to settings, toggle airplane mode on, wait for a minute, toggle it off. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router to let your iPhone reconnect to Wi-Fi connection. If this doesn't work, you need to reset your network settings to troubleshoot Wi-Fi issue. In Settings app, tap General. Scroll down all the way to Reset. Tap on it, and then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode, and tap to Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. This will delete all your Wi-Fi settings, including passcode. So before the stop app proceed with the update or download, you need to enter your Wi-Fi passcode to make a connection with the network. This is all about testing the internet connection when your iPhone app is stuck on waiting or not downloading. The next method is just tap on the Start app to pause the update or installation, then start again. Pause, then start. You probably tried this, and if this doesn't work, go ahead to restart your iPhone. In earlier iPhones, press and hold the power button till the slider appears. Then drag the slider from left to right to turn it off. In iPhone 10 or later, you need to press and hold both side button and either volume button. Give it a minute and then turn back on your iPhone. If your iPhone is unresponsive or frozen, try to do a hard reset. We have a tutorial on how to fix a frozen iPhone in the card at the top right of the video, and detailed instruction on how to force restart iPhone in the description below. Do you have enough space? If your iPhone is running out of storage, it can't install an app, update, or download an app. This is one of the common reasons why your iPhone app start waiting. Check how much free space there is by going to Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Here, you see on my iPhone, I get 40 GB of 64 available. Sometimes when an app is start waiting or not downloading, it could be because there's a problem with your Apple ID connecting to your Apple Store account. So let's go to Settings, tap iTunes, App Store, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, and tap Sign Out. Then tap on Sign In with your Apple ID and passcode. If your app is still waiting on the iPhone, you might need to delete it and download it again from App Store. It's simple, and you should know how to do this. So let's move on to some iPhone software problems that may be difficult to fix. Using iOS system recovery tool to update your iPhone is a good idea. Don't worry, the software is safe to use and won't delete your data. It's helpful for a stuck app update and many other system errors. You can find the download link of the software in the description below. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problem. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. It's all that simple. Okay, that's all about possible solutions to troubleshoot an iPhone app that is stuck on waiting or not downloaded. Hopefully, you can download new apps, update your apps, and get back to using your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Don't forget to let me know which ways works for you down below as a comment. As always, thanks for watching.